Daka Jingiarap Jong Tnat Information Technology and Artificial Intelligence ka Sorkar Meghalaya kelas dang banlum jing tip halor ka jingdon jong kinong pang hakajala. Umentri rangba kajala ukan rat ki sangma uloong bayakani las dangkum ka pilot project Hari Boy District hakaba ka Tnat ka kot ka khia kelas dang banlum jing tip ya baro kinong pang. Wala pilet syakaduganu hospital ru ka jing tip ka balayo lum kan ailat iki he ka Tnat ka kot ka khia banyo jing pensyai halor ka jing pang barim. Ukan rat ke sangma ula ajing kren haka jingelang hadian ka jing play ka North East TB Free Summit ha courtyard Marriott haka jingedon lang ka menteri ka Tnat kokoi ka khia I Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo by Dr. R.H. Offrin WR WHO India.
Ladies and gentlemen, to counter, contain 5 years ahead of the SDG goal to end.
Thank you. And global mortality, the position of being the foremost.
We've started a program in Meghalaya where we've taken up Boy District where our representatives have gone and visited. We've started now mapping every patient and we started maintaining the records of the patients so that the doctors have accessibility to it with a click of a button. And no matter which hospital you go to, the centralized information will allow the health official to be able to get the history of the patient immediately.